Hey guys, Jagist here. This is Jagist Reviews. So I got sent this speaker. It's the Go c27-c. They're currently online. Amazon $29.99, so $30. They're going on sale for $21.99 here in just, I think it's a day or two. So that would be pretty cool if you're looking for something small. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, test it out, see what it sounds like and everything. So you can get it in black, teal, blue, pink, red. It is IPX5 rating, waterproof, up to 24 hours playback, Bluetooth 5.3, so that's pretty dang good. It's got two 2-inch woofers, full range, 2 passive radiators. It's got the RGB lights. And then I'm going to do this one-handed, so bear with me. But let's get screw it on. Sorry, not the most pleasant unboxing, but so this speaker's definitely got some heft to it, especially for a $30 speaker. So inside, looks like we got the speaker. Let's see what's in this little guy. All right. So we've got, it's like the charging, and it's USB-C, I believe. Anyways, the updated version, so that's good. And a little carrying strap. Let's look at this guy. All right, so this is it. It's for 30 bucks. It's got some heft to it. It doesn't feel too bad. Looks like we've got the power, volume down, play, pause, volume up, RGB light, and then on the back, it's kind of got this JBL feel to it, but it's not rubber. It's all plastic. And we've got our aux cord charging, some little sturdy feet on it. And that's weird. I mean, I wish that they had the brand right there. It looks like maybe that was supposed to be, but, and then the little passive radiators. Let's see if it has some juice. And it does. RGBs. So yeah, not a bad little speaker. I will do a sound test on it, and then we'll also do it versus some other speakers and stuff as well, and just kind of see how it sounds. But for 30 bucks, it's kind of cool. It's got the different colors. Oh yeah, I actually really like the RGBs on it. Cool. All right, well, let's hit a sound test and see how it goes. All right, guys, and for the sound test, let's go ahead and see how this thing does. $20-$30 speaker. It's basically about the same size as like the Flip 5, Flip 6, that area of speaker. So let's go ahead and play some songs, see how it sounds. Let's go up. Blast. Alright guys, so that's the X Go speaker. They are on Amazon for about, they were on for 20 bucks, normally about 30 bucks. They got the cool RGB lights. Is it worth it? Yes. For 30 bucks? Yes. For 20 bucks? Hell yes. This thing is sweet. It's got great battery life from what I've seen so far. It's got cool RGB lights. I mean, it's a pretty solid speaker. Now I am gonna get a Flip 6 and some of the more expensive speakers, some of the more name brand speakers, and kind of see, you know, does it hold its own? Is it worth it to get a Flip 6 even though they're like $100, so you could get like 5 of these or whatever. But let me know what you guys think, and we will test it up against some other small speakers, some affordable speakers, because I know we can't all afford $100, $200, $300 speakers, all the way up to the $500 for the boombox 3 and all of that kind of stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.